Hello there, welcome to Pashteen Says YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get hundreds of Instagram followers for free. Before starting the tutorial, I will recommend you to use a fake account for the login and use your real account to get followers. So let's get started. First of all, open the website given in the description. This will redirect you to this page. Here you have to click the subscribe channel button, and on next page subscribe my other channel and come back to this page. I am sorry for this step, but my channel is just 400 subscribers away from monetization, and hopefully you will help me completing this number. This page will appear. Click on the Login with Instagram button and log in using your fake account credentials. If you don't know how to create fake Instagram account, then comment below and I will upload a tutorial about this topic. Now, on this page, we have many buttons. Click the followers button because we need followers. Here, enter your Instagram username on which you want followers and then click Find User. Your profile will appear. Just click the start button and in next few seconds you get up to 20 free followers. The bonus trick is that create more fake accounts, repeat this procedure and get more and more free followers. Soon I will be uploading another video in this topic with different trick and more followers, so stay tuned. See you in next video.